how to turn off or on camera permission on virtual try on Amazon Shopping on Android or iOS phone. First, open Amazon Shopping and now click the three lines here and then click settings, then click permissions, and now just scroll down, scroll until you find it here. Here's it, virtual try on. Now all you need to do, you can turn it on or off, and I hope that can help you because it's easy. And then just after manage it, just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.